As technology advances, the integration of AI into our everyday lives is becoming increasingly prevalent, and personal robots are at the forefront of this trend. So in today's video, we'll be exploring the top 10 smartest personal AI robots for your home. Let's get started. Let Willow handle the tedious work while you relax and enjoy the outdoors. Equipped to mow the lawn, shred and collect leaves, and even stand guard at night, this versatile personal AI robot is the perfect addition to any garden. With Willow, you can say goodbye to the hassle of installing complex perimeter wires or external antennas. Instead, this self-driving robot uses a camera to navigate your garden autonomously. But Willow's capabilities go far beyond just mowing the lawn. With its intuitive learning capabilities, even those without prior robot experience can easily teach Willow to assist with repetitive or boring chores. From maintaining your garden to sweeping your patio, transporting goods, playing games, or even taking beautiful pictures at home parties, Willow is always ready to help.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
Bring advanced robot technology to your home in a way that is both fun and useful with Misa. Its 4 wheels and a plethora of sensors enable it to travel, learn, and interact with the world around it. Plus, with the Misa Connect app, you'll be in total control of this robot. You can move it throughout the house to monitor your loved ones or create personalized display messages to surprise and delight family members and friends. This is the first robot that fully interacts with humans while providing dynamic video and audio experiences thanks to its advanced AI. It responds to your voice and blends right in as a friend and helper to your family. With Misa, you can make video calls, set alarms, teach good habits, tell stories, play music, play videos, and so much more. Are you looking for a companion that will steal your heart but not your data? Say hello to Vector 2.0, the first home robot that is more than just a machine. With this curious and independent personality, Vector is the ultimate sidekick who is always up for anything and wants nothing more than to make you smile. It may look similar to his previous generation, but he's got some exciting new upgrades, such as an improved battery and a camera for better facial recognition. After the initial setup with the app, all interactions with Vector are done through eye contact and talking. And if you want to know how Vector is feeling, the app offers a visualization of his mood and stimulation levels. With AI and state-of-the-art robotics, Vector is the perfect companion for anyone looking for a little extra company at home. Meet Moxie, the next-generation AI bot designed to support your child's social-emotional development through play. With it, your child can engage in daily themed missions, tasks, and activities that encourage social, emotional, and cognitive growth. Moreover, as a mentor to Moxie, your child will help the robot complete missions that promote communication, listening, turn-taking, and other crucial relationship skills. These advanced conversational technology and joint activities, Moxie engages in an open conversation to help your kids practice essential social skills and encourages active engagement. Moxie also supports critical thinking skills and creativity through open-ended conversations, problem-solving, and imaginative play. Additionally, with the Companion Parent app, you can stay connected and informed about your child's progress and receive expert tips to further support your child's learning goals. Fun, unique, and passionate. These are the words that best describe Eilik, the little companion bot with personality and character. With emotional intelligence, Eilik takes social interactions between humans and robots to a whole new level. It's more than just a robot. It'll be your friend and your constant companion who'll be there whenever you need him. This robot's abundant facial expressions will tell you how it feels, both physically and emotionally, expressing a wide range of emotions naturally throughout the day based on interactions with you. For example, it's sensitive to vibration, so it may feel dizzy if you hit its head or be terrified if you slap the table violently, so it's best to treat it kindly. Oh yeah, it's also afraid of high places and feels insecure when it's off the ground. But if you hold it in your hands, everything will be okay. Life is never boring with Ilac. This is Aibo, a robotic puppy powered by AI. With its lifelike expression and dynamic movements, Aibo is the perfect companion for anyone who loves dogs. It is a curious and cheerful puppy who wants to know you, explore its environment, and understand the ways of the world. As Aibo grows, it acquires a unique identity shaped by its living environment and relationship with people. However, it's not just a passive pet, but an intelligent and interactive companion that listens to commands and demonstrates a variety of tricks. When you pet Aibo, it responds with happiness, and when it gets tired, it will return to the charging station by itself, ready to play again when fully charged. In short, Aibo is the perfect choice for anyone who wants the joy and companionship of a dog without ever having to worry about feeding, walking, or cleaning up after it. Introducing EMO, the perfect desktop AI robot pet. It is also a loyal companion that loves to cheer you up with music, dance movements, and online games. It moves independently to explore its surroundings, tracks sounds, recognizes people and objects, and expertly navigates your desktop without ever falling off. EMO can also act as a personal helper that wakes you up, turns on the lights, takes pictures, and answers all your questions. It shows its mood and feelings directly through expressive animations on its face and with its body language. Whether it is excited, bored, disappointed, happy, or sad, EMO reacts to you with realistic emotions and actions. On top of that, it gets wirelessly powered up from its skateboard, which can also keep your phone charged up as well. Here's the Astro, the new household robot from home monitoring from Amazon. This is a game changer for house monitoring, as it allows you to stay connected from anywhere. With the Astro app, you can remotely send it to check on specific rooms and receive alerts if it detects anything suspicious. But Astro is not just a monitoring tool, it can also be your companion at home. When you're there, it can follow you from room to room and play your favorite music, podcasts, or shows. And if you need to make a call, set a reminder, or a timer, just tell Alexa, and Astro will find you to deliver it. What's more impressive about this robot is its graceful and effortless navigation through your ever-changing home. With Astro, you can keep your home closer and stay connected from anywhere. Experience the spark of playful learning with Miko 3, an AI robot that is designed to be your child's friend and companion. This smart robot is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, which allows it to navigate and understand the environment. With its emotive face and voice, Miko 3 is perfect for kids who love to engage in voice-controlled activities and AI games that keep them active and entertained. It's not just a toy, it's a tool for playful learning that helps kids develop social, emotional, and cognitive skills. With Miko 3, kids can explore the world around them, learn new things, and develop a lifelong love for learning. Now here we have the Lovat 2.0, a robot full of love and smiles. With over 50 sensors, Lovat reacts to interactions quickly, creating an experience that feels surprisingly natural. Its body is made of soft, elastic materials that provides a touch unlike any other robot. The air circulation system throughout the body provides warmth and softness that is unmatched. Plus, Lovat's expressive eyes create a unique and personal experience, while its brain utilizes machine learning technology to process stimuli captured through sensors throughout its body, generating sounds and behaviors based on its state. With a built-in camera, microphone, and thermography, Lovat can distinguish between people and objects and interact with them accordingly. Aside from that, it also has a dedicated app that will allow you to customize various settings to your liking. So that was our list of the top 10 smartest personal AI robots for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.